Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Binance versus KuCoin. Which one is better? We'll be basically reviewing them and telling you that at the end of this video. So, as you can see, on Binance, we have a lot of fiat currencies, but there are a lot less fiat currencies than on KuCoin, right? Now, on Binance, we have 600 coins, on KuCoin 700, right? On Binance, we have 0.1% buy-sell fees. On KuCoin, that varies, right? Now, deposit methods there are a lot of deposit methods. So, bank transfer, you can do that. You can do bank transfer ACH. You cannot do that on KuCoin, which is a big con in my eyes. You have Pay ID, you don't have that on KuCoin. Fedwire, you have that. You don't have that on both of these. PayPal, you have that on KuCoin, which you don't have on Binance, right? Credit cards, you have them on both. Apple Pay, it's not available on Binance. I don't know why, but it should be available on Binance. Now, on Binance, you can use Swift. On KuCoin, you cannot use Swift, which is, again, a big con. Skrill, you can use on KuCoin, not on Binance. And there are a lot other, features that we can use. So, here, user-friendly, both of them are not really that user-friendly, to be honest, but I would say Binance has more user-friendly UI, it's more user-friendly. Mobile app, both of them have mobile app. I think Binance, they're pretty much the same, but I think Binance has a little bit better mobile app. And actually, Binance has live chat. I don't know if this was on purpose right here, X, but Binance has a live chat and live support. So you can actually go and chat with other support members. It also has two-factor authentication, and Binance can also have biometric security as well as KuCoin. Here it says X, but they both have biometric security, and they are both in cold offline storage. So it's really hard to compare these two, but let's compare pros and cons. So Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world based on trade volume. It has extremely low fees. The mobile app is available on iOS and Android. It has over 600 plus currencies and additional features such as staking, NFT marketplace, and a lot of other features that you know about. Now, some of the cons. It's not available in USA. US residents need to use Binance US, right? And it has poor customer service, lacks live chat support. Right here, I don't think this is true. I've used Binance a lot of the times and they have live chat support. You just don't know how to find it, right? But they have a live chat support. So I think when it comes to Binance, they are pretty good because they are available in almost worldwide except USA. Obviously, USA is a big market, right? While KuCoin, on the other hand, as you can see, again, large exchange with over 11 million users worldwide, right? Extremely low fees, mobile app available, over 700 plus cryptocurrencies available, and additional features such as crypto lending, trading bots, and all that. Now, on KuCoin, you have high fees when buying crypto. You cannot withdraw fiat currencies, and they have poor customer service or no live chat support. Now, if I would to compare Binance and KuCoin, I would say Binance is the winner here. Why? Because Binance actually has a Binance card, so you can actually spend your crypto, which is a biggest hit for Binance. And on KuCoin, they don't have a card yet, but they will have a card in the future. So you will be actually, able to withdraw fiat currencies to your card. Now, as you can see, obviously Binance, it's really popular exchange. But I would say Binance wins here, even though their biggest con is not available in USA. So, which one is the winner for you? Comment down below. Tell me which one is better for you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.